Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you on how to change my AI gender on Snapchat. So this is just a very basic step, so just follow along. So just the first thing, just open your Snapchat application or device and then tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. That one, and then tap on your profile, your my AI, and then tap on edit avatar at the bottom corner of your screen. Okay, and then after that, if you really want to change the gender of your AI, just scroll down, okay, from the for the hair. So tap on the hair that you want, and then also just slide to your right to choose for the eyeshadow, the color of your eyeshadow, your skin tone, and the design of your eyebrows as well. Okay. Now you can see the changes of your my AI. So, especially the dress. You can click on the dress icon, then choose the dress that you want that your AI would wear. Okay, and also the boots or the heels. Then after that, just click on save. Okay, just click on save now. As you can see, your AI is very beautiful and sexy. So that's it. That's how you can change my AI gender on Snapchat. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.